It's been patches down with a leak. That's the way it sounded in the car. I can remember riding them, you know, the little shrill.
What's the other one sound like again?
It takes a whole lot more.
For that one?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That's where your whistle power. Two longs, a short.
Short and a long, yeah.
You caught that, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. That's something new. We got at the museum, folks. A couple of steam locomotive whistles. Those come off actual steam locomotives?
Huh?
These come off actual steam locomotives?
This came off of one of the Springs Park
Okay.
steam engine. This came off a boiler in Heat Springs.
Oh, wow.
They used to heat water.
Mm-hmm.
They used coal to heat water. They had a cannery where you bring food from your garden and can it. This is years ago.
That's pretty cool.
And that boiler, this, because it fired it with coal,
Yeah.
this was on that boiler. And this man, friend of mine, he lived close by. He grew up there, James Williams. And when they tore that down, he ended up with this. Then eventually he gave it to me.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
And I wasn't afraid to say, there are the steam engines, didn't use this, that size too. Because they'd have a lot of steam pressure, you know, burning coal. And did it record?
Yeah. I'll put that on my YouTube. Anyway, folks, there's where we're at right there at the LNC Railroad Museum. New little exhibit here. A couple of whistles that we can actually blow in the museum. New toys. Anyway, thank y'all for watching this short video. Thank you and God bless.